Try my chow, says great stuff. Would you be so kind and play the Soup by Merge 2-1? It is a challenge.
What the is that? It's a sweet potato. No, that's a vegetable.
Soup by Merge 2-1.
Is it a song?
The soup song.
Let's see. Soup by...
Alexa, play Soup by Merge 2-1.
Let's check this out.
All right, bro. Let me play this song, "Soup" by Merge 2-1.
I said, Alexa, play Soup by Merge 2-1.
What's the soup song?
Oh, it's a song? Soup by Merge. And that's a challenge?
Hey Alexa, play Soup by Merge 2-1.
Soup by Merge 2-1 from Apple Music.
Soup by Merge 2-1. I put Merge 2-1. Okay, so maybe I'll just take Merge
Soup by Merge 2-1.
Can you say Soup by
Merge 2-1.
I've never heard of that song before. I couldn't find it, but Merge 2-1.
Found it.
Silly. Let's see what you got.
I don't know, is this it? I'm not taking requests, but I'm doing it just for you.
Right here?
You're special.
Current time is 5:40 p.m.
Yeah, okay.
Give me some soup, dude.
Is that it? Give
Come
me.
on, dude.
This reminds me.
Freaking cold up in here. That hot soup. That yummy soup.
I'm liking
That big soup. You got that soup.
Reminds me a little bit of Toast by Edward Banks.
Yes, that's what I was gonna say. It reminds me of
I want some soup, man. I'm Superman. I want soup.
I mean, you did say you was a
Soup weather buttons like that. Changes
Got out of a bad relationship. April 23rd of this year.
I left it back in LA.
Feel free to share whatever you're comfortable with. I'm sorry to hear that it was a bad relationship. That is never a good thing for anyone.
You must
Is this
be
the right
rolling
one?
in that dope by that.
You guys like it? What do you think?
In Hitler's the spot, my homie's gonna be you. In Little Italy, no
You are
bet, I
special.
got some kicking.
New York City flag.
I need my soup for sure. I want my Trana Chow soup.